See the waiting lines.
确实。
This one. So cute. Molly. This is Molly. Twinkle, twinkle. This one, Labubu, the superstar all over the world. And if you are a fan of Labubu, this is your paradise. Hello, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I hope to help you understand cultural differences, break down information barriers, give you an authentic view of Beijing and China. Join me as we experience the real life of Beijing. You know where am I? I'm at a toy show. It's not just any toy show. It's a Pop Mart Toy Show. So when you heard Pop Mart, you know how popular it is. And of course, Labubu is here. Excited? There are tons of collaborations, toys, and the rare black boxes. And of course, I'm joined by a friend who is obsessed with these blind boxes. This event runs for 3 days, from today, Friday, till Sunday. My friend declared today's theme a day of major spending. She already got a wish list and is hoping to buy those limited edition toy. But the most popular toys are restricted in quantity, so I wonder if she can buy what she wants. And as for me, I will go with what catches my eyes. Speaking of toy show, I have a really tragic story. About 2 years ago, also this Pop Mart Toy Show. At that time, it was already very popular in China, and the ticket was so hard to buy. So we showed up the day of this event and hoped buying the ticket at the door, but they were sold out. So we were so disappointed with the same friend today joined me, and we were so disappointed. So someone told us that he can help us to get in, so we paid him a few $100 RMB, and he just ran off. So we got scammed. That's so embarrassing, And then we filed a police report, and the police officer said that you two look smart. How did you fall for such a basic scam? We are so humiliated. It was just because we were too eager to get in, so it lost all sense. So yes, we got scammed. That's so humiliated. This year, as soon as the ticket went on sale, I bought it online immediately, the official channel. So no one's scamming us again. Look at this, the toy show. But I've already entered the toy show, but it needs a long wait. I queued the line about 1.5 hours. So look at back the long queue I entered.
好不好？你拿。确实，高后
They are letting people in section by section. So I waited in line for over 1 hour and have just entered the toy show. That's absolutely crazy.
请大家准备好，身份拿好，有。
Line by line. That's crazy. It's just a show, See the waiting lines. Okay, now let's not waste the time and just head straight in. Let's go. See, Labubu is here. Nemo one. It's so cute. So cute. See that line and a line and a line, endless line. If you want to buy anything, just line. Do you know that? It takes two. The game on PlayStation. I like this one. See, tag. Oh, this ugly fish. It's also very popular. Magnet. Resting area. Game area. Finally, my friend also got in. So now I'm meet her. You know, I have her, it means I have the guide. Otherwise, I don't know what's that, what's this.
你刚才去盖章了吗？
没有，
都没干，什么都没干吗？
对，
好的，那我们就准备开始吧。我刚刚在等你们的时候，还去那儿盖了一个章，也不要干啊，走吧。我现在我们先去看了吗？
没有
把你的那张卡片拿出来啊，看它所有的这些都是可以在这儿盖章，盖完章呢，你就可以去干嘛？就可以去抽奖，知道了吧？好。然后哎，我们找一个地儿，大家可以把那个卡牌拆出来，就是它那个卡牌不是也是一个这儿的那个游戏吗？这
She knows everything.
好的，你3张，我3张，现在可以开始拆了啊。
That's the material pickup. It's free.
这个他们有，一会儿可以跟别人换，如果他们有重复的话，但这些就不行了。前往指定展位打卡就可以领到这个卡牌，所以我们现在如果不盖章的话，我们就要去所有卡牌的点位，也就是这些地儿，看看谁还有卡牌就可以领，知道吗？
There are some, card station. We can exchange the card or get the new card. And get the Pop Mart Show, these 10 characters. Collect the stamps.
PY，我要窒息了！怎么这么多欧啊？
我前面也能盖，前面也能盖。
有没有人要换卡牌？有没有人要换卡牌？
She asked if anyone wants to exchange their
有
cards.
朋友要换吗？
哦，我们这个
哦，好的。
不好意思，久等了，欢迎光临泡玛这个欢迎光临。你好。好。我终于看了10个。
Labubu. Display only. They were already sold out. Molly. Maybe. I can find my friend now.
喜欢就买。
I said I want to buy it because it's cute. She said, no. Just for display. All sold out. This one, it's very cute. Yoga. Oh, the staff said the Twinkle Twinkle only has the T-shirt. Others were sold out.
往前走来，往前走，往前走来，往前走来。
Yeah, we collect all the cards. See, P-O-P, pop, and the toy T-O-Y, and the show S-H-O-W. 10 characters. So I'm in the line of the exchange gift, but it's also a long line. See? Finally, I got my gift. Oh, so tired. Let me see what's the gift. Just a card. Molly, look at this dining area. Long queue. They have KFC, taco, and dessert. But so long. The line is so long. See, my friend said a day of major spending. A lot of things, not a lot in fact, because all these things you have to buy it as soon as it's released. So it's very difficult to buy. they are all restricted in quantity. And this one, I don't know what this. All of my friends. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.